Grandma's birthday and family games night. Today was Gattu Chinky's grandmother's birthday. And Gattu Chinky's grandmother, Buaji, Fufaji, Chachaji, Chachiji had come to her house. Today, after a long time, the whole family had planned to have dinner together. So, Mummy, Chachi and Buaji were preparing food in the kitchen. And everyone else was sitting in the living room and chatting. Jijaji, it seems food is prepared. See? How nice it smells. Yes, but now we should go to the kitchen and help them all in placing the food on the table.
Yes, you're right. All three of you go help them. And Gattu Chinky, come and sit beside me.
Okay, Daddy Ma.
Everyone together serve the food on the dining table. After that, everyone sits together and eats. But then Gattu sees that there were tears in Dadi's eyes.
What happened, Daddy Ma? Are you crying?
Hearing Gattu's words, everyone looks at Dadi, and Dadi was really crying. What happened, Ma? Why are you crying?
Nothing, kids. Today, after a long time, it felt good to see you all together. These are just tears of joy.
Hearing this, everyone gets surprised.
Hey, Mummy, what is there to cry about? We all are always with you. We stay together but not near. That's why. Anyway, the food is really tasty, my kids.
Everyone starts eating again. But an idea comes to Gattu Chinky's mind. After eating, both of them quickly run to their rooms.
Hey, why did Gattu and Chinky go to their rooms? What happened? Who knows, Didi? What goes on in these two's mind, only they know.
Everyone sits in the living room and starts talking when Gattu Chinky come there with a fake mic and make an announcement.
Listen. My dear family members, I have a big announcement for all of you.
Everyone is shocked to hear this.
Kids, what kind of announcement?
Announcement of Family Games Night.
What? Family games night? This sounds very amazing.
Yes, kids, this is a very good idea.
Yes, Papa. We all will play these games together. Me, Chinky, Buaji, Fufaji, Chacha, Chachi, you and Mummy, and even Dadi. You too will have to play games today. Yes, Daddy Ma. I have made this plan specially for you, so that you will always remember your birthday. Okay, Daddy?
It is fine, kids. I will definitely play games. But what kind of games?
Let me tell you now, Daddy.
Chinky catches hold of mic and then again makes an announcement to everyone.
So, ladies and gentlemen, today is our dear Dadi Ma's birthday. So, first of all, we will play...
No, Chinky beta. Wait, today is my birthday. So, first of all, I will make you play.
Hearing this, everyone is surprised.
So now I will make teams of all of you first.
Okay, Daddy.
After this, Dadi makes a team of Gattu Chinky and separate teams of Papa Mummy, Chacha Chachi and Bua Fufaji. She keeps a plate on the table in front of everyone's chairs which had chocolates in it and also keeps balloons in front of them.
Look, kids, you guys have to stop these two balloons from falling down and also have to finish these chocolates quickly. The one who finishes the chocolates the fastest is the winner.
Daddy, this is a very yummy game.
Everyone starts laughing after listening to Gattu. And first of all, Mummy Papa come. Mummy Papa let go of both the balloons in the air and quickly put one chocolate each in their mouths.
Hey, you watch your balloons. It might fall down.
And you, eat the chocolate quickly. Seeing Mummy and Papa talking like this, everybody starts laughing uncontrollably. But in few seconds, Papa's balloon falls and bursts, and they both get defeated. After this, Bua and Fufaji come forward, but Bua's balloon bursts immediately because of her long nails. Oh, How many times have I told you not to keep such long nails? See, we got defeated.
Oh, it's good that you lost. Otherwise, you would have become fatter by eating these chocolates.
Everyone starts laughing on Dadi's words. After this, Chacha Chachi ji come to the floor, but they also lose quickly. But when Gattu Chinky come, it's amazing.
Chinky, start. Yes, Gattu.
Chinky starts eating the chocolates quickly, and Gattu alone starts handling the balloons. In a few seconds, Chinky finishes all the chocolates, and the balloons also don't fall down.
Well done, kids. You are really more intelligent than your mummy papa. You are completely like your grandmother. That is right. These kids are more intelligent and smart than us.
But which game will we play now?
I will tell. Now we will play a small quiz, which will be based on Dadima. This will let us know who knows and loves Dadima the most.
This is a very interesting game, kids.
Let's start the quiz now. Dadi, you come with me and Chinky and sit on this sofa. And all the other players will have to sit on these chairs.
Gattu Chinky had arranged 6 chairs in front of the sofa, in which Mummy Papa, Bua Phupa ji and Chacha Chachi ji sit. After this, Gattu Chinky start asking questions.
Okay then, we will ask 3 questions. And whoever answers them correctly, he must love Dadima the most because he knows everything about Dadi. Okay everyone?
Yes, I am ready. I know Ma the best.
Yes, Bhaiya must know her, but not more than me.
Yes. You both should not forget me. I am the youngest and I have stayed with my mother for the longest time. That is why I know everything.
Oh, that's it. Soon we will find out who will win. So the first question is, which sweet does Dadi like the most?
Gattu Chinky had thought this question was difficult, but everyone immediately raised their hands.
What? Means you all know the answer.
Oh yes, Gattu and Chinky, because we all know your Dadi very well. She likes eating khoya sweets the most. So I've already ordered khoya sweets from her favorite sweet shop. What? Really? Then I have to eat that sweet right now.
Everyone starts laughing. Mummy brings sweets for Dadi, and then Chinky asks the next question.
Okay, then the next question. Tell me, where does Dadi like to go the most?
But this time also everyone raises their hands. And first of all, Fufaji raised his hand and said, Mummy ji has been wanting to visit Vaishno Devi for a long time. She loves going there. And that is why I have booked tickets for her for the trip after a week. A surprise gift for her birthday.
What? Really, son? Yes, mummy. This was my idea.
After this, Gattu Chinky asked the third question and everyone answers it correctly. Dadi feels very happy seeing that all her children loved her so much.
Okay, my dear family members, now we will play Passing the Parcel. Whoever gets the parcel will have to do the task told by me. Okay?
This is even more interesting.
Suddenly, Gattu Chinky make everyone sit in a circle and make a cushion as a parcel and start passing it to everyone one by one. Music turns on and suddenly Chinky turns off the music. The parcel comes and stops near Papa. So what do I have to do now, Gattu Chinky?
Papa, you have to show me a classical dance. That too on a hip-hop song.
Hearing this, Papa is shocked and everyone else starts laughing. Gattu immediately starts playing hip-hop music. What? But what should I do on this? Come on. How will I do a classical dance on this song? Here it is. Papa starts a classical dance in a very strange way, seeing which everyone starts laughing uncontrollably. After this, the game starts again. And as soon as Chinky stops the music, the parcel reaches Chacha ji. Yes, Gattu Chinky. Now Tell me, what do I do now?
Chachu,
Gattu was confused as to what he should get done by Chacha. But then Dadi says,
I will tell you. You take all of you to the nearby Kulfi center and treat us with Kulfi.
Oh wow, Daddy, what an idea!
As you say, birthday girl. After listening to Chachaji's words, everyone starts laughing. And then everyone goes to eat kulfi together. And like this, Gattu Chinky enjoy their family games night.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.